Hello everyone, I'm Jacob Kier Gomez, your Misters of Filipinas, Tarlac Province.
Yes, congratulations for winning press favorite. How does it feel na ikaw yung isa sa mga napili ng press?
I'm so grateful. Winning the Press Favorites Award is such a prestigious thing to me. And I'm so thankful for the press and to all the fans who came here to watch.
What do you think yung qualities na nakita sa'yo ng press, ba't ka napili as a favorite ng press?
Maybe the one reason that they chose me to be one of the press favorites is my authenticity. And it is something that I embody since the very beginning, that with my authenticity, I always show my true self to the people.
We heard kanina your opening statement, sobrang heartfelt yon, from the heart talaga. And kung may add ka dun sa opening statement mo, ano yon?
Well, if I will add something to my opening statement, then that would be to eradicate certain issues that revolves our nation, such as the timely and relevant flood control. You know, the billions allocated for this matter have been misused. That we should all be alarmed of. So that is what I want to emphasize. That we should end anything that that corrupts our system.
Yes, and going back sa competition, nung na-meet mo yung mga candidates, nag-add ba siya ng pressure sa'yo, excitement, ano yung na-feel mo nung ma-meet mo sila?
To be honest, it adds excitement kasi it is one story. It's just a dream to be here and to be able to compete with them to different parts of our nation. Such a privilege. That is why I felt excited.
Since you've heard na it's a privilege to you, if ever meron kang or isa sa mga candidate na makakasama mo, last 2 months standing, sino yun? Sa coronation night.
Well, all of them naman deserves to be at the top 7. But this is a tricky question because all of us talaga are talented eh. All of us.
Pinaka-close mo?
Pinaka-close that I see potential.
Hmm.
Well, I'll just mention the one who excels on one particular matter, which is Puerto Princesa. His body is his physique is good, very good. And second, I will include also my fellow press favorite winner, Kristan from Kristan, Cavite. Cavite.
Yan. And to end this interview natin, sa mga kapwa nating Tarlakenyo, yan, invite them to support you and invite them na manood ng coronation.
To all my fellow Tarlakeños, thank you so much for supporting me in this journey from the very beginning. I felt your support, and I hope I made you proud by winning one of the best press favorites award. And I just want to thank every Tarlakenyo who is being part of my journey right now, and I will promise you that I will not let you down.
Invite them to watch, to support yung social media mo.
Yes, to everyone watching this video, please support me. Please follow me on my social media accounts on Instagram, Jacob Gomez, Facebook, Jacob Kier Gomez, and support me on my coronation night, October 22 on SM North Skydome. So see you guys.
Thank you. There you go.
Thank you.